Have you ever struggled to tie your beautiful Owambe Headwrap Gele style? If you have, my beautiful queens, come closer. Let me show you how you can achieve this beautiful Ashoke Headwrap Gele style for your Owambe party without sweating. So I'm using a 3 layers Ashoke fabric, and you can see I just create 2 folds in front like a pleat, and then I cross it at the back. So this is a division of 50-50, which means I divided the fabric into 2 equal parts, roughly. And then I'm just going to gather rough plates from the crossing at the back to the front, and you can see I'm having like an umbrella flare already, but I'm going to use my hair tie to hold it in place like this to secure the style that I want. And you can see one hand is longer for that flare, so I'm tucking in the longer side at the back, and that gele is very snuggy in my head already. You can see how simple this can be, but yet it's looking elegant already. So you repeat the same thing, gather rough plate for the other side, but this time around you're going to be using the same ear tie to hold it together in the middle in this manner. And then you're going to do the same thing, tuck in the longer part of the flare anywhere it can fit to. If yours is not going to tuck in, use a pin to hold it in place. But I want to make this style for you to be a pinless style. I don't want to use a single pin. So you can see I just open up the flare, arrange it, and then it's looking good already. All right. So we just hold it together in the center like this. You can use a pin to secure it if it's not staying, right? And then you can use another pin to hold it together on the side. See, I have a pin right there, so use another pin, but you can leave it the way it is without using a pin. But if you just want it to stand without moving, so you want to secure with a pin. But here you have it, looking good already, and people will be looking at you. You don't have to pay $20 or £30 to tie your gele when you go to a party. You can do it by yourself. This is the errand of Operation Do It Yourself, guys. For a touch of elegancy, just add the bunch in the center, and you can see it's looking giving. Thank you for watching African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe today and watch the next recommended video.